Alright, so we got here is just a basic tattoo gun. We're going to take this off real quick. It's your grip, just basic grip. Alright, so first things first, when you're looking at this, take a look at it. This is your positive, this is your negative. This is where you would hook it up, kind of like a car battery for your power to run the actual thing. So the first thing you're going to do is come down here where this thing is. You're going to take this thing off. Okay. Alright. Second thing you're going to do is come up here. It's going to be up here. The screw to take this off right here. It's going to be up here. Just loosen it up just enough to slide this out. You don't have to take the actual nut all the way off. Just make it loose enough you can just slide this off. Okay, next thing is your positive. You're just going to screw this off. Okay. Alright, so the big thing now are these. Screws are under. You are going to want to hold them individually, because if you don't, when you start unscrewing them, they will twist. Twisting is bad because it will mess up the wires and break the whole thing. Screw them out. Alright, now you can just simply take it off. Here's your spacer. This goes on the bottom here. Gives it a nice little gap between the metal. Alright, so that's how you take it apart. Now when you go to put them back together, you tend to want to put this back on first, just like you just took them off. I usually just hold it sideways, poke this through the bottom, so you can have that little gap piece there. Put these back in here. Screw it in there just enough to get it in. Get it in there. Take this. Alright, so you're going to want to make them snug. Not too tight, just snug. One good little push. Remember to hold it while you tighten, otherwise you're going to mess your gun up. Alright, next I'm going to put the positive back on. Come back here, buddy. Alright. Simple as just putting it back through the bottom part. See your little connector right here? You're going to want to put it right through the screw. Put the screw right through the hole there so it connects. And my screw fell off. What? Professional. Oh yeah. Like a pro. It's totally easy, as you can tell. All you have to do is follow these little steps. Alright, screw this back in. Get it in there pretty snug. Alright, so now you get everything back on there. You get your positive. Alright, now back to this thing. You're gonna loosen this top part off right here, and you're just gonna slide this in between it. like so. You're going to tighten this up pretty good. Not too tight because you might have to adjust it for this. So we're going to put this back on the positive side up here. Alright, let's see here. Put that in there. Grab your screw, if I can find mine. Put it in here. Make sure you take your positive side right here. Make sure it's in the screw hole. Giggity. And you're gonna do this. Take this. And screw it in there. Nice and good. Alright. Kind of make it snug. So when this is even, you're going to want to make sure this is in a straight line. Make sure this is touching this. That's good. It is good to go. I'm not going to go into detail how to tune it and all that stuff. This is just a take apart, put together video. Put your grip back on there. Of course, I'm just putting it on there because it's laying around. But that's it. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that helped somebody out there. Have a good one.